Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Rafale M fleet to get many indigenous weapon system. In a significant move earlier this year, the Indian government announced its choice of the Navy Rafale to bolster the Indian Navy naval air capabilities. The acquisition of these state-of-the-art fighters reflects India's commitment to enhancing its air and naval superiority. Next, Tejas film's trailer faces online criticism for CGI and inaccuracies. The much anticipated trailer of Kangana Ranaut's upcoming film Tejas was released on Indian Air Force Day, generating significant buzz. However, it did not take long for online users to express their disappointment and criticisms of the trailer's CGI quality and inaccuracies in its action scenes. Next, Pakistani ammunition in Ukraine concerns rise over quality and reliability. Recent reports suggest that Pakistani supplied ammunition to Ukraine is causing concern due to issues related to quality and reliability. Pro-Ukraine OSNIT handles on social media platforms including Twitter have alleged that Pakistani artillery shells have led to the damage of M777 ultra-lightweight artillery guns in Ukraine. The damage is reportedly a result of barrel bursts caused by the use of low-quality artillery shells. Next, manufacturing AR/VR firefighting tools and cargo pallets for Indian Air Force. In a significant development, Classic Technologies and Trade Private Limited, that is CTTPL, has secured contracts from the Indian Air Force to manufacture augmented reality and virtual reality, that is AR and VR, firefighting operation training tools along with cargo pallets. This marks a crucial step towards the India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing, aligning with the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next, Israel horror, a reminder of October 1947 Pakistani tribal raid in Kashmir. There can be nothing more horrifying than to see terrorists overrun parts of an independent nation. It has happened in Israel, and the October 7th shock has been too unnerving for the rest of the secular world. For many Indians, the situation is a reminder of October 1947 invasion by raiders from Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir. Hordes of tribal from northwest frontier province backed by Pakistan army invaded the Kashmir Valley on October 22, 1947 under the code name Operation Gulmarg. Next, F-35 jets face mission-ready challenges due to maintenance and repairs. Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II jets, a cornerstone of the U.S. military modernization efforts, are reportedly facing significant mission readiness challenges. According to a recent report by the Government Accountability Office, that is GAO, these advanced aircraft are mission ready for only about 55% of the time, well below program goals. Next, maneuver performed to ensure spacecraft on intended path of Aditya L-1s. Aditya L-1 spacecraft, which is carrying out India's first solar mission, has performed the trajectory correction maneuver (TCM) for about 16 seconds, ISRO said on Sunday, adding it happened on October 6th. ISRO in its Twitter timeline write that the maneuver was needed to correct the trajectory evacuated after tracking the trans-Lagrangian point 1 insertion maneuver performed on September 19th. Next, Air Chief unveils new EnsIgn at Air Force Day Parade in Prayagraj. Chief of the Air Staff Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary on Sunday unveiled a new ensign of the Indian Air Force, replacing the existing one that was adopted more than 7 decades back. The IAF chief released the new ensign at the 91st IAF Day celebration in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj. In new ensign, the IAF crest features in the top right corner. Thank you.